Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 1 of programming in CSS3. This is just an introduction. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. And now I will be going into an introduction. What is CSS? What it's all about. In this chapter, we will be looking at examples of CSS, and we know that CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or other forms of media. And we know CSS saves all the work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages at once. We can have 5 pages. And it only takes one CSS page to control the output outcome. External style sheets are stored in CSS files. So the real question is, why use CSS? Well, because CSS is used to define styles for your web pages, including the design, the layout, the variation in display for different devices and screen sizes. We can make the website cross-platform, all based on CSS. And we know CSS solved the biggest problem that ever occurred in the HTML world. We know HTML was never intended to contain tags for formatting web pages. It was created to describe the content of a web page, such as H1, this is a heading, P, this is a paragraph. When tags like font and color attributes were added to HTML 3.2, it started a nightmare for web developers. The development of large websites where fonts and color information was added to every single page became a long and expensive process. To solve that problem, the World Wide Web Consortium created CSS, which removed the style formatting from HTML web pages, and it saved a lot of work. The style definitions are saved in external .css files. With an external style sheet file, you can then change the look of an entire web page by changing just one file. We can have 10 pages, all controlled by one CSS file. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.